My name is Morten. I am a Hult alum, and right now I'm a technical project manager at Tesla. Hult graduates, I think, have a global mindset, have a broad experience culturally that Hult students can bring to the table. Tesla is a global company, and with that comes a lot of different cultures, different personalities that you have to work together with, and you have to make it work. Going to Hult, already being immersed in those kind of cultures, getting to know different side of the coin from working with all my student peers really helps me in my day-to-day work at Tesla. I took a dual degree here at Hult. Has allowed me to approach projects from a wider perspective, understanding that I could use to deliver a more broad solution, more whole solution in the projects that I do day to day.